So in this video, let us look at what antilog is. So as the name suggests, antilog is the reverse of logarithm. So if log 2 to the base 10 is equal to 0.3010. So if log of this number to the base 10 is 0.3010, so what is the anti-log of 0.3010 with respect to 10? The anti-log of 0.3010 with respect to 10 is nothing but 2. So if log of 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010, what it says anti-log of 0.3010 with respect to 10 is nothing but 2. And as you can understand, what is antilog actually doing? Antilog is just 10 raised to the number. So antilog of 0.3010, antilog of 0.3010 is nothing but 10 power 0.3010. Because we have already seen in the starting that log is the reverse of exponentiation. So if log x to the base 10 is y, the antilog of y is nothing but x. So if log x to the base a is y. So usually when you calculate antilog, we take the base as 10. So if log x to the base 10 is y, antilog of y is equal to x. And antilog of y is nothing but 10 power y. So 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the given number is called the antilog of that number. So whenever you see the tables of logarithms, so the first log tables give you log of some number to the base 10. And antilog tables will give you 10 raised to that number. So I hope you have understood antilog is nothing but 10 power the number.